Yo, what's up, my folks? It's me, Donnie, and today we're gonna be trying Monster Energy Nitro Cosmic Peach. It's supposed to be like a creamier and more dry flavor of a Monster Energy. So let's give it a try. Smell like peaches. Okay, so that tastes actually really good. A little bit better than the regular ones. So yeah, if you're into like energy drinks, I would actually recommend it. They got these at Dollar Tree. So that's it for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Support Dr. Pepper. Stay fresh and don't be a god of destruction.